The Phrygian pentatonic mode is the fourth mode of the minor pentatonic scale and the third mode of the major pentatonic scale. All of the first notes of the Phrygian pentatonic mode are the same as all of the last notes of the Dorian pentatonic mode. The mode consists of a root note, minor third, perfect fourth, minor sixth, and a minor seventh note, and then back to the root note. In tones and semitones, that would be root, 3 semitones, 1 whole tone, 3 semitones, 1 whole tone, and then 1 whole tone back to the root. The shape for this, from the low E to the high E string in the key of A minor or C major, would be 12th fret on the low E string, 15th fret on the low E string, 12th fret on the A string, 15th fret on the A string, 12th fret on the D string, 14th fret on the D string, 12th fret on the G string, 14th fret on the G string, 13th fret on the B string, 15th fret on the B string, 12th fret on the high E string, and then I like to add on 15th fret on the high E string as well. I'll now do a close-up demonstration of the Phrygian pentatonic mode at 70 BPM in quarter notes. The demonstration will include on-screen tab and a neck diagram for you to visualize the shape. Now let's give you a daily workout to work on your muscle memory for the Phrygian pentatonic mode. The workout's going to ascend through the Phrygian pentatonic mode, and then descend back through the Phrygian pentatonic mode, and repeat that process 4 times in a row at 70 BPM.